In this video tutorial, we will make a calculator in using C++. So first make a new file, name it calculator.cpp. Has include IOStream. Using namespace std. Int main. Cout enter first number. Say in A. Is our first number that user have entered. Copy and paste. B. This is our second number B. Our A and B is integer data type, so we will declare this int A and B. Int A comma B semicolon. Cout. Which operation do you want to do? So which operation do you want to do? For sum, press 1. For sum 1. For subtraction, sub B 2. Multiply 3. Say in OP operator. We have write this in short form OP. Here we do not have use end line in cin statement. Cin OP end line. Let's use conditional statement. If OP is equal to 1, when the user enter 1, then A plus B, sum A plus B, the value of A plus B, it will goes in the sum. Else if OP is equal to 2, here we have used 2 equal to symbol because here we are comparing two things. Else if sub is equal to A minus B. When we use single equal symbol, here is data is transferring from right side to left side. Else if OP is equal to 3, multiply is equal to A into B. Cout sum. Cout sub. Cout multi. So go to terminal, run build task, Control Shift V. Run it calculator.cpp /calculator.exe. Enter first number 25, second number 23. Which operation do we want? 1. 48, right. The sum of 25 and 23 is 48. It's correct. Let's perform another option. Enter first number 5. Which operation? Second minus. Yes, 5 minus 5 is 0. It's correct. Enter 5 and 5. Which operation? 5 into 5, 25. It's correct, right? If divide, else if OP is equal to 4, divide A/B. Okay, divide else when the user have entered another option from 1 to 4, else accepted. So we will display a message, enter another twice. Run this. Enter first number 15, right? 87, right? Present 4, it's correct. Enter second. Here we have used int. Here we have to use float to perform a decimal data type also. We will cut this int and type float and run this. .5, 2.5, 1 is